about technologies and how it can transform your business. And today we are going to talk about Web3. First of all, what is Web3? Web3 is this new generation of internet leveraging the blockchain technology. Web 1 was about consulting the information. Web 2 it's about creating the information, and Web 3 it's about owning the information, owning the data. And it's more decentralized, it's more secure, it's more transparent than the current Web 2. The Web 3, such as the cryptocurrencies, the NFTs, the dApps, the decentralized application, have the potential to change the way we do businesses. So why Web 3 is important for businesses and for your businesses? First of all, it's about decentralization, because in the current web, most of the data is controlled by a handful of large tech companies, and this gives these companies a great deal of power over businesses and customers. The Web3 technology tend to eliminate the need for the middlemen, for the intermediaries, giving businesses more control over their data and operation. For example, a business can use Web3 to create its own decentralized marketplace where they can sell their product and services directly to the customers without without having to go through a third-party platform, through a middleman. And this can help these businesses to save money and to improve the customer's experience. But more than the decentralization, we have the security also as well, because the Web3 is based on the blockchain technology, which is one of the most secure technology available today. It is a distributed ledger, which means that it's not controlled by a single entity, and it makes it very difficult to hack or to tamper with data on the blockchain. So the Web3 businesses can improve their security. The Web2 businesses can improve their security, stepping in the Web3 technology and to improve the security of their data and their assets. And for example, you can use Web3 technology to store your customers' data on the blockchain, making it more difficult for hackers to access. But that's also about the transparency, because all the transactions on the blockchain are recorded on a public ledger. And this means that anyone can view all the transactions that have taken place on the blockchain. And this transparency can help businesses to build trust with their customers and partners. For example, a business can use Web3 to track the movement, to track the supply chain of a physical goods, and this can help the customers to get the products and the services that they ordered. And this can help these businesses also to identify and address any potential problem within the supply chain. But it's also about innovation, because it's opened up new possibilities for businesses to innovate and create new products and services. For example, businesses can use NFT to create digital ownership models. That's what we are building at Galileo Protocol, leveraging the NFT technology to guarantee the provenance, the origin, and the ownership of luxury items. And these businesses can create what we call dApps. dApps is decentralized application, and can be used to create, for example, decentralized marketplace or other application. We told you businesses could create NFTs like Galileo Protocol to represent the ownership of its product or services, and it would allow customers to buy and sell these products and services in a secure, in a transparent way. Let me give you some specific example on how businesses are already using Web3 technology. We have Nike, for example, creating a decentralized database, a decentralized marketplace where they will allow to sell the product directly to the customers without having to rely on a third-party retailers like Amazon. It's about increasing the speed of transactions, also reducing the cost, because the intermediaries and the middlemen are not here to make the permission between the transaction between the brands and the end customer. Starbucks also is getting into the Web3 by creating this digital loyalty card where the customers can earn rewards for their purchase, and these rewards can be redeemed for food and drinks at Starbucks. But also the music industry, it's about a new way for artists, for producers to sell their music and distribute their royalties. We have Spotify, for example, testing a new feature that allow artists to sell NFTs of their songs directly to their fans. But these are just few examples on how businesses are using Web3 to innovate. There is way more businesses such as Breitling, BMW, Louis Vuitton, etc. So what type of product can you develop to generate revenue, to increase your marketing, to increase the customer experiences? There is digital asset ownership, and this is one of the most popular. I mean, creating an NFT collection or creating a digital token that can be used to represent the ownership of anything, from an in-game items to a digital works. They can be used, the fungible and the non-fungible tokens, they can be used to buy and sell goods and services online. And by creating these digital assets, the businesses can generate new revenue streams and engage with their customers in a new way. And for example, a gaming company could create NFT to represent ownership of in-game items, or a music artist could sell NFTs of their song. But it's also about the increased customer experiences and the direct to customer relationship, because through tokenization or NFTs, we can give the ownership of a stake within a business, for example. A company could launch a tokenized royalty program where customers earn tokens for their purchase. These tokens could then be redeemed for discounts, early access to new product, or other rewards. Or a business could offer NFTs to their early supporters, giving them ownership of a piece of the company and say it is in its future development. But we were talking about the royalty program also, but it's about marketing. And because the Web3 can create new experiences and personalized marketing experiences. For example, a clothing brand could use VR, AR, augmented reality to allow customers to try on clothes virtually before they make a purchase. Or a food company could use a decentralized application to create a personalized meal plan for customers. Yes, by using the Web3, businesses can create immersive and personalized marketing experiences. We can capture the attention of customers and build a strong relationship with them. But we were talking about this, it's also about the supply chain management, because the Web3 can be used to improve the transparency of the supply chain. And for example, a company could use the blockchain technology to track the movements of goods from the supplier to the end customers. And this would allow the company to track the progress of the shipments, identify and address any potential problems early on, and ensure that the products are delivered to the customers on time and in good conditions. By using the Web3 to improve the supply chain management, these businesses can reduce the costs, improve efficiency, and provide a better customer experiences. But more than the marketing, it's about creating a new business model, a new revenue stream generation for you, to create a new and innovative way to operate. Creating a decentralized marketplace where buyers and sellers can transact directly with each other without the need for a middleman. Or a startup could create a new type of social media platform that is owned and operated by its users. Possibilities are endless. I think it's very important to understand the Web3 and its relevance. It's important to have a good understanding on how these technologies work and how they can be used to solve real-world problems. One way to learn more about Web3 is to read articles, to watch this podcast, and to watch videos. But you can also talk to other businesses that are already using Web3 to learn from their experiences. And you need to focus on the real world problem, because do not use the Web3 just for the novelty of it. Use it to address specific business challenges and improve your offerings. What are the biggest problems that your business is facing? How can Web3 help you to solve them? You have to start small. Don't try to do too much too soon. Start with a small focused project and learn from your experience. As you gain more experience, you can expand your Web3 offerings. If you are a clothing brand or restaurant, you can start by creating a few NFT collections to test the market. Or if you or by accepting cryptocurrency within your restaurant. And that's also about creating a community. Because build a community of users around your Web3 product and services, it's very important. You need to get feedbacks, iterate your offerings, and grow your business. One way to build a community is to create a Discord or server or Telegram channel where your users can interact with each other and with your team. And you can also organize meetups, events where your users can connect in person. And it's about being patient, because Web3 is a new evolving technology. It will take time to see the full impact of Web3 on businesses. Be patient, be persistent, and you will be rewarded. Because the Web3 has the potential to transform the businesses, and businesses of all sizes. And some tips that I can give you is like to partners with businesses already established in the Web3 technology. It will help you expand your reach and capabilities. You could partner with a Web3 development company to help you build your Web3 product, services, or decentralized application. Or you can partner with a Web3 marketing agency to promote your Web3 offerings to your target audience. It's about education also as well, because many people are not familiar with the Web3 technology, and by educating your customers about the Web3, you can help them to understand the benefits of using your Web3 product and services. And finally, it's about being transparent and accountable, because it is a trustless system, meaning that there is no centralized authority to oversee the transaction and to resolve the disputes. As such, it is important to be transparent and accountable in all your Web3 offerings. So to conclude, the Web3 is a powerful new technology that has the potential to transform businesses of all size. Web3 businesses can create digital assets. They can increase the customer experiences, create digital collectibles, rarity program, improve the supply chain management, create new business model, innovate, generate new revenue stream, engage with their customers in new way, and overall improve the operation. So if you are a business owner, entrepreneur, we encourage you to learn more about the Web3 and how it can be used